This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Magnificently restored Colonial Revival home resting on 3+ lots in a premier point location. Enjoy evenings and overlooking the Crepe Myrtles on your expansive front porch. This home has had extensive renovations along with keeping original features. The design is perfect for entertaining with warm sunlight throughout. Lovely oak and pine floors, 10 ceilings, original moldings and mantle. Gracious entry foyer opens to spacious formal rooms and Butler's pantry. Eat-in cook's kitchen has both quartz and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tiled floor and backsplash. Primary suite opens to an enclosed sleeping porch west/built-in day bed. Oversized third floor ensuite with full bath, walk-in closet and storage room. New second and third floor Trane HVAC 2022. Recent electrical panel and sub-panel. Both heating and hot water are fed by a Navien boiler. New gas-heated Gunite pool west/pavers. Custom paver driveway and walkway. This stately home